I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Buffalo Chick, a cozy tea party collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Co-hosts are May's Design Corner, Secondhand Tracy Ann, and me, Jennifer at Home. I'm starting off setting up my tea party with this beautiful black and white check tablecloth. I'm having 3 friends over for lunch. I'm really looking forward to the luncheon today. This tea party will be so much fun for us to get together and catch up. It's always nice to slow down a little bit and invite friends to come over. Friends I haven't seen in a little while. I'm going to be using this beautiful picture that was a gift from my friend Sharon with these white tulips. And I'm going to use this picture with some beautiful pink tulips. If you haven't guessed yet, my theme today is going to be black, white, and pink. I'll just use a pink napkin at the top of every plate. I always choose 3 colors when I decorate. Today we'll be using the 3-color scheme as always. Along with the black and white, we'll also have this beautiful shade of pink. We're going to be starting our meal today with fresh fruit. These plates will be perfect for the fruit. Today I'm going to be serving my guests grilled chicken thighs, corn casserole, and mashed potatoes. I have some cookies in the oven and they smell wonderful. Everybody loves chocolate chip cookies. And here's how our beautiful table turned out. Everything is ready for my company today. I've kept it super simple and it'll be so easy to clean up. This visit is all about getting together and having an enjoyable time. I was really happy to have this beautiful tablecloth to include for my tea party today. In no time at all, I was able to set everything up. I love choosing these 3 beautiful colors that coordinate so nicely together, and then some beautiful plates with a lovely pattern. I would be so happy if you check out the other participating channels listed below. I am so glad you were here. I had so much fun making this video and sharing it. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.